Hi, my name is Chris Rupp, and I'm the teacher for this group guitar class called Triads Part 1. I created this class because I love triads, and I've found them incredibly useful throughout my guitar career. Once you've learned how to effectively use triads on the guitar, you will never look at the guitar neck the same way. They will help make you a better rhythm player and a better lead guitar player. This class is going to be 2 hours long. The first hour, I will be teaching you the material, and then the second hour, I will be taking questions and helping you with the material that you just learned. In the class, I'm going to be teaching you how to play all of your triads on strings 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then we're going to take a look at using them for rhythm parts and creating better lead guitar parts. I'm going to provide you with a lot of charts that you can keep, so you won't be leaving the class without any material. I'm also going to give you full access to my 2 triad courses here on GuitArmy. For all the details about the class, please read the full description below. I'm limiting the number of people that can take the class to 10 because I want to keep the class small so that each student can get more attention. This class is going to be laid back and packed full of information and a lot of fun. I hope to see you in the class.